How you doing, guys? Welcome back to another day. And I normally say paradise, but you know what, as long as we're alive and healthy, we're in paradise. So I hope you're alive and healthy. But nope, we're not on the boat. And actually, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know what, you should follow me on Instagram, because that's where we normally put our daily stuff and more or less what the videos are gonna be. Follow us on Fresco Channel on Instagram. If you guys were following me on Instagram, you guys noticed I put a very sad, at least for me, emotional thing, that my camera got demolished over the weekend. And the sad thing about it is, we spent almost half a day at the beach that I was amazed. If you guys saw my South Beach video, you guys noticed there was a lot of people at the beach. But if you guys see how many people were at Hollywood Beach, I mean, I was surprised, I was amazed, I was in shock. But at the same time, I was glad to see people out and about and getting this fear out of the way. Because, I mean, I know we gotta stay safe and do precautions, but the way media is doing it, it looks like they want to keep us in fear. To see so many people out there enjoying themselves, it was kind of good. At least to my opinion, it was kind of good to see that they're out enjoying themselves. Because the thing is this, come on, it's been over 3 months, going on 4 months, I think. I don't even know, I lost track of time. I don't even know what Monday is, I don't even know what Tuesday, I don't even know what the weekend is anymore, because every day seems to be the same thing. So a lot of people are actually wising up and just go ahead and try to make the best time as possible. So once we got there to Hollywood Beach, I was amazed to see so many people out enjoying themselves. And I noticed there was a lot of people, but there was a lot of tourists. And the reason why I noticed that is because the language they were speaking, the way we were dressed, and stuff like that. So that it wasn't all Broward County beachgoers. And the thing that is sad about it is I got great footage. I mean, I got these guys doing tricks on a skateboard, guys on a bicycle. There was so many people coming by us, and I had great footage, and I actually lost everything. I'm gonna tell you how the story happened. Actually, this is what happened. I was loading the bikes. I placed my camera on the truck to record myself loading the bikes on the truck. So I placed my bike, then I got Vita's bike, I put on the camera, then I had the cooler on the floor, and then I had the other camera, because normally I'm running around now with 3 cameras. My phone, the 360, and the GoPro. So I had the 360 in my hand, the cooler in the other hand, and there was a car waiting for us to take our spot in the parking. So I was kind of in a hurry, and I jumped in the truck, and I left my camera in the bed, one of the holes. Normally the trucks have like 3 holes. Mine has 2, I think. And I left it in the back. So I jumped in the truck, trying to be polite, got out of the parking spot really quick, and then the other guy came. And then I'm driving away, in about a block and a half, 2 blocks. I'm like, where's where's my GoPro? Where's my other camera? And that's when I stopped and pulled over and went crazy looking for it. I mean, I looked under the seat, in the back seat, in the cooler, the back of the bed, and I couldn't find it. So that's when I realized, oh my God, I never picked up the camera from the back of the bed. I'm like, oh please. So I traced my steps all the way back to the spot I was parked. Then we walked around the parking lot. There was a lot of people in the parking lot. So I was like, wow, I hope nobody picked it up, because it's kind of, there's a lot of stuff on there, personal stuff, video stuff like that. So I was really worried about, people seeing my personal stuff, and stuff that I have recorded on them. So we couldn't find it in the parking lot. So I got back in the truck and I traced my way down, the road and the street. And guess what I see in the middle of the road? Yes, I saw the camera. I guess it must have fell off the bed of the truck, and a car behind me ran it over, and it became pieces. Now at this point, I was glad I found it, because now nobody has the footage of of our stuff. But then hopefully the SD card it's not broken. Because at this point, I didn't really care about the camera. I wanted to care about the footage because, like I was saying, it was so much great footage there of things that was happening at the beach that I was really happy that I was going to be able to share it. And it was going to be a lot of editing because it was about 3 hours. So 3 hours of video, if you guys edit your own videos, you guys are going to know it's a lot of editing. But I noticed that the SD card was kind of bent, little SD card. So I picked up all the pieces and stuff, and I went home, and now here I am trying to make the best of it. I wasn't gonna make a video like I told everybody on Instagram, but I decided, you know what, I'm going to, because I still have some kind of footage on the phone and some footage on the 360 camera. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to I guess kind of make the best of it, of the video, you know, and so you guys got an idea how the day was. I mean, we had you know, stopped to eat and everything, but that I do most of my recording with the GoPro because it's easier. I like the quality. It's most of the footage is there, so you guys are gonna see bits and pieces of the video, and you know, and sorry about that, guys. And you know, I'm trying to make the best of it, and I just want you guys to see and enjoy the video because I was, like I said, I was amazed how many people were at the beach. So let's jump into it and see what comes out of it, because I haven't edited the video yet. So this is the first part of the video, me talking and letting you guys know. So we'll see how it goes, and let me know what you think of it. And remember, if you want to go on the daily post, follow us on Instagram, Fresco Channel. You know, you guys are gonna see all the daily stuff and all the activities we do. Let's jump into it and see what comes out of here, and hopefully it's good. And I don't know, let me know, and we'll see what happens. So let's go with the show with the broken camera. I don't know. Alright guys, so we're off to Hollywood Beach, Florida. If you guys are not familiar with Hollywood Beach, Florida, it's a little bit up north from us, I'll say about 30-minute drive from our house. And you can actually, I have more videos of Hollywood Beach because I like coming here. I mean, Hollywood Beach is a little bit laid back, more family oriented. So if you're looking for that type of atmosphere, you know, you can come here and spend the whole day, or even rent at the hotels and condominiums they have here. And one thing that we love coming here is because they have a huge boardwalk. I say it's about 3 to 4 miles long if you want to count it all the way to Dania, because it starts in Hollywood Beach and it winds up all the way at Dania, at the Dania Pier. And here you have many choices of restaurants, little bars, and little lounges. They don't really have nightclubs like South Beach does, but they have miles and miles of sandy beaches, and you could even rent umbrellas and lounge chairs. And they have plenty of parking. And like you also notice, they have outside dining. So like that, I guess it's a little safer than being inside closed up. And me, myself, I've always preferred to dine outside. Like that, you could take advantage of the beautiful sunny Florida weather. And here we want to call this, I guess, the center. This is right next to Margaritaville. I don't really remember the name of the street that's on, but you're gonna notice it has a big wide center boardwalk with a lot of shops, and sometimes on the weekend they do like little concerts because they have a beach stage. But now we stopped here at Margaritaville surf pool. That is always fun to watch people try to surf and fall down and do funny stuff.
you see, he's pretty good, and I guess she is so too. So I guess we'll see how the rest of the people are gonna do. Well, I don't know about you, but to me, that was entertaining. I love to see people have fun and enjoy themselves, especially in the situation we're in. And I guess some of them are pretty good, or they've done it before. But now, it's time for us to enjoy ourselves and catch a little snack and do some people watching. And while we're here having a snack, looking around, Olguita noticed a spot that was pretty cool to take some pictures, so we decided to go over there and take advantage. After playing around with the dolphins and Olguita taking pictures, we decided it's time to head back, because remember, we spent about 3 hours here, but this time we didn't go in the water because there was so many people in the sand and in the water that we decided we take a rain check for maybe next time, or we're gonna come here during the week. So remember, if you like riding bike or just walking around by the beach, you could come hang out here at Hollywood Beach. Just remember, as long as you practice social distancing and wear your mask at all times, just to take precautions and to be safe.
Alright guys, so I hope you liked the video. I mean, that's more or less what I could salvage from the situation that I'm in. And by the way, sorry for those people that came to us and said hi and we got you on camera, because it happens to be it was the GoPro. Like I said, I like using the GoPro more, so all the people came up to us and said hi and stuff like that. You know, sorry, because the SD card, as much as I tried, I couldn't save it. Like I was explaining, I guess they must have short-circuited, but I'll be out there again at Hollywood Beach, and if I see you or you see me, you know, come up and say hi, and you know, you can do a little shout out and things like that. But and definitely gonna be out there. You know why? Because here we go, I got another camera already. If you guys are in the market for a GoPro, you know, because you like doing action stuff like you know, fishing, diving, motorcycle, running, stuff like that, you guys, I'm gonna tell you a secret, you guys don't have to purchase the 8. The 7, it's really good. And actually, I like the 7 more. You know why? Because it has the extra housing on the camera. So if it falls or it gets hit by something, it's gonna protect it more than the new one. The 8 doesn't have a housing. It just has the camera with the little legs on the bottom, and then you plug it to your stick and stuff like that. So, you know, I like the 7. The difference is maybe just a little bit on the stability, you know, because I've seen videos. I personally haven't used it, but I've seen videos of the 8 and the 7, and you know what? This one right now, I think it's $249 versus the 8 is $349 because it's on sale, I think. So you're gonna pay about $100 more. So why do that? You know, just stick with this one because it's good enough. So yeah, guys, don't worry, I'm out there again. Just this little destruction, it ain't gonna stop us. So we'll be out there again, and hopefully for new videos coming up. So remember, if you're subscribed to the channel, double check your notifications, make sure all of them are on. Like that, every time we load up a video, you guys can check it. Because some people are like, yo, I didn't know you got a new video out. So that's why, because you have to turn when it goes to notification, turn all of them on like that. Every time I load a video, you guys get a notification and you won't miss another video. And thank you guys for the support, and let's keep having fun. See you later.